big shout out to O'Neill. I believe that's how you say your name at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. Yes, it's just like the other hack. You get the kit, but this time it's with the Impact Driver Gen 3 Impact Driver. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, they're throwing the deals up, down, below, just throwing them out of the Home Depot, basically, shelves. Killer deals, especially if you want to stock up on these batteries and these tools. All right, so these are solid tools, guys. Don't get me wrong. This is one of the most powerful, probably the king of the impact wrenches or impact drivers, my bad. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. That's the way I roll. You guys know that. So one M18 fuel, 18 volt brushless, cordless, core inch hex impact driver kit with two 5 amp hour batteries, charger and a case. So you get in 2 batteries, charger and a case, and the impact driver. All right, $249. If you select the battery, which is the most expensive, I believe you can select other tools. All right, so you go. What? All right. Go to card. I'm gonna have to delete the hammer drill. I believe I still have it here. All right. We're gonna delete the hammer drill. Make sure you guys check that video out. That's a killer deal for that hammer drill. And the batteries, we're gonna put 1 battery in here. All right, so we got the battery for 121 according to what is 155, guys. This is a great deal on this Gen 3 impact driver. You guys know this is the king of the impact drivers as of now. I don't know if the other one's gonna be more powerful, faster. We'll have to buy it and check it out once it comes out. Guys, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.